Your Friday morning is slowly starting to dry off as a lot of that heavy snow exits. Still seeing a couple showers within our area as we are seeing a little bit of an update when it comes to those winter alerts as well. Taking a look at ExactTrack, a lot of us slowly starting to dry off, but we're still seeing some of those snow showers moving through parts of our area, including Rockford down into DeKalb. Taking a little bit of a closer look right now, moving through places like Davis Junction, Genoa, even seeing that snowfall, DeKalb and Malta, a little closer to Rochelle as well. We'll end up seeing a lot of this taper off as we head within the next few hours as our Friday will stay dry. In fact, we do have an update for you this morning. That winter storm warning that was in effect for Stevenson, Joe Davis, and Carroll County has been canceled. The rest of us are still under that winter weather advisory until 7 a.m. for northern Illinois, 6 a.m. So getting real close for that to expire for southern Wisconsin. The next few hours will end up staying slowly to dry off. A lot of that activity will move out. Already seeing improvements on the roadways. A lot of us are just partly covered when it comes to those roads. You'll see that here on this map, but McHenry County still seeing mostly covered roads if you are traveling a little bit further east this morning. Regardless, even though some of those roads have been plowed, still leaving behind some slick spots, so keep that in mind for your morning commute. Taking a look at what the rest of our day may bring, we may still see an isolated snow shower or two within the next few hours. Otherwise, all that activity will slowly start to fizzle out. We'll stay dry through your afternoon with lots of cloud cover overhead. As we get closer to your evening, we may still see some of those isolated snow showers bubbling up, but not likely to bring a whole lot of impacts, at least not going to be as impactful as that snow was overnight. And in fact, we'll continue to stay dry through most of the overnight hours. The snow that did fall, however, if you still haven't gotten to some of the shoveling, it is rather heavy and wet in nature, leading to difficulties while shoveling, so make sure you take your time with that as well and give yourself frequent breaks. Be surprised at how quickly you can get tired from shoveling this kind of snow. Otherwise, we'll get another chance for snow into the weekend. That comes in late Saturday night, early into Sunday morning, bringing us another chance to pick up a couple inches. Taking a look at future track for this next coming system, most of the day stays dry on Saturday. Lots of cloud cover, however. That system moves through into your Saturday evening. Here's just after 8 p.m., getting closer to 8:30 as we see some of that snow moving in. And we'll end up seeing a lot of that taking over into your overnight hours. So similar in nature what we saw overnight tonight. And we'll end up seeing a lot of that fizzling out again and slowly starting to exit early Sunday morning. This will bring us up to 3 inches possible. The heaviest amounts will stay further to the north as well, but it does look like we'll stay dry for at least the rest of our Friday. Temperatures will only climb into those mid-30s. We're going to be a little bit cooler, might still see some light snow showers, if not flurries this morning. And into tonight, we'll stay dry with perhaps an isolated shower or two. A lot of us, though, will end up staying dry as well. We'll drop back into those low 20s for a cooler night ahead, and overall, we'll hang on to those 30s for quite some time. Although we do see sunshine returning by Tuesday, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, you'll notice we do see those 40s returning along with active weather right for St. Patrick's Day, Manny.